Fairphone's next smartphone, the Fairphone 6, has just surfaced in the latest leak, offering a glimpse into the updated design and possible pricing. Known for its sustainability and repairability, the brand appears to be refining its modular approach while bringing possible adjustment to price to stay competitive. The latest information comes from WinFuture report, which also shares the image of the upcoming device. The brand is expected to launch Fairphone 6 in Horizon Black color option, with the report hinting it could be listed in Cloud Forest and Forest Green colors. The model is expected to have one variant of 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB storage. You get narrow bezels in the front. One of the buttons could be seen in yellow, which is in stark contrast with the dark color hue of the smartphone. Although there could be a slider that allows simple detachment to the rear panel, the back may feature dual-tone color design with a dual camera module, the main camera module and the ultra-wide lens. Apart from the new design is the modular body, which makes the selfie camera, two rear cameras, USB-C port, and even the battery replaceable. In other words, it's a simple process. You don't need any skilled technician to replace it. The base model is expected to start at €549.